Okay people, here is the answer, or one of the answers to this problem. We need to turn these three blocks into that structure and find out what diameter cylinder we can put in the middle of here. So to make things less cluttered, we'll dispense with the already built one. So we'll just select it and delete key. Now first thing is to make it nice and square onto us, and what you might have thought is the first thing we do is we put on here a circle which is going to have a 13mm radius or 60mm diameter, and on this corner another circle with a 50mm radius or 100mm diameter. Now what we did that for is because we got this intersection here, which is what we're going to use to orient our blocks. Now we can go into the 3D mode with P for pull tool, and we're going to use some planes to orientate our blocks to. So we can select the intersection, select, click that point and rotate a bit. Actually we need to rotate right round to the back. We've selected that intersection point, control key and select that. So we're now going to put a plane through that point and that line. So we use the tool up here, plane, click, now we've got a plane through there. Now we do the same for there and this corner. Control key, select plane. We can get rid of these surfaces. We no longer need them. It'll reduce one of the planes, but we can still use it. Delete. Still got the plane. We've got a plane here for that, which is enough for our requirements. So the first action is to move, we'll move the hypotenuse. So that's the 50mm one. We'll drag that to the surface, click on the normal and the orient, and then this plane. We've now got the block oriented to the diagonal plane. All we need to do now is drag the anchor point to that corner, and bring it up to this corner, and it's now on the plane and in conjunction with that corner. We do the same idea with the shorter block, 30mm block, normal, orient, corner up to wrong corner, go back up to this corner. And that's the 3 blocks in position. We'll simplify the drawing, get rid of the planes. We don't really need the annotation plane, so we can scrub that also. Now then, we've got some spurious lines from the construction lines. They're easily deleted. Anyway, we bring it nice and vertically. So we now need to find the center point to put our circle for the cylinder. Now this is a standard way of finding the center point inside a triangle. So what we need to do is to draw a couple of arcs for construction purposes. One there, and one there. Now we need 2 straight lines moving from the center of the arc to there, escape, and another one from the center of this arc. You'll see a little triangle pop up indicating the center of the arc, so click and drag to there. Now we've got a center point. So we'll find, if we draw a circle at that intersection, it's 20 millimeters diameter, exactly. Now we can select all these bits we've used for construction lines, and the pull tool click on up to this face, and there it is. So the answer to the question is it's 20 millimeters diameter. Hope that's of some use to you. Hope you enjoyed it. Bye for now.